However, among you, you should have your specific goal, aims in life. I used to tell to my students, wherever I got a chance to speak among the students, that it is not impossible for the student from Shangpliang area. It is not impossible for the downtrodden family, a student from Shangpliang area, to become an engineer, to become a doctor, to become an IAS officer, to become an IPS officer, to become, let's say, the SI as we have here in our midst today. But there is a big but for you. If you do not study, and if you are satisfied with just a simple pass, then that will not be possible for you. We should send a clear message from Rangrang St. Mary's School that the government should see that an assigned stream should be established, if not in Rangrang St. Mary's, be it any other school in this area, so that our children can pursue the studies in engineering and yes, in science, be it in doctor. But again, one thing, my dear student, it is not impossible, it is possible for you to become an IAS, MCS officer in the government. It is very sad to say that until 2013 and 12, the last IAS officer among the Khasi community, among the Khasi Janjia community, it was called Isawanda Lalu, who was once our deputy commissioner here in Southwest Khasin district. Nowadays we have technology that you can learn online. Yes, we do require the government support. For example, in terms of coaching. Otherwise, for you, the student, you can learn, you can spend time in your social media, technology mobile, not in social media. Spend time in learning. Spend time in getting the knowledge. You know, each and every one of us, every day, a new day, it is a learning process. If we thought that it is enough for the teacher, if we thought that it is enough for the student, just for today, and you do not need to learn more, that is very wrong. Even